All right, let's go. Okay. We're going down along the Yes. Oh, it is so windy today. Oh, Cassie. Be careful, Zoe. Taking the shortcut alongside the temple wall. And I've got...
Look, there's a kite!
I thought you said there was lots of stuff here.
I know, there.
Okay, so it's Sunday afternoon, and we're at the harbor.
Look out, there's a car!
Yes?
I was doing that painting before.
Oh, that's where you did that?
Yeah. It was very fun.
Yes. You want to do it again?
No.
Why do they have blacks out here? The street. Okay, so this is a Sunday late afternoon. Must be around
Look, there's a ball.
close to
Swimming
6.
ball. It's a swimming ball. Inside there's a lot of balls.
Uh-huh. So, what do you want to do?
It's a balloon.
Yes. So, what do you want to do?
Let's go there to the pasar.
What pasar?
Pasar Senggor. There's a lot of food over there, but it's not a pasar. The name is just that.
Yeah. Interesting. Some people have masks on and some don't.
I want to buy some food.
Okay. Zoe is looking for food.
See?
Yes.
Anything over here?
Yeah, so what do you want? Okay, I'm just following her around. Yeah?
I want crispy.
You want crispy mushrooms?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Ternyata gitu apa sih jamur? Yang 10.000.
How much is it?
10.
Here.
Mayonnaise sama manis sama I think I want to paint again.
You do?
Yeah.
All right.
There's chumi. What is chumi?
Chumi squid.
I already ate that. It was yummy.
Yeah. You had it today?
No. And there was my brother.
Yeah.
I go there.
All right. Now what?
When I do painting.
All right.
There has to be a lot of tourists here.
Tourists don't come into Singaraja usually.
Yes. I found a lot of them.
Yeah. Huh?
Let's go there.
Where?
To the cafe. Let's go seafood there.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay. She wants to come out by the restaurants.
Look at the beach.
Yes. Whoa.
Wait, that's
So where are we going?
nowhere. When I go to here with my friends, I
Huh?
told you there's going to be a tourist. There's a tourist.
Where?
There.
Oh yeah, right.
I told ya.
Okay, so Zoe and I are discussing tourists.
When one of my friends come here,
Yeah?
like one of my little friends,
Yeah?
and then one of them are in the boat, and then if I go here, one of my friends will wanted to swim at the sea,
Yes?
but they don't just go down there and then swim.
Yeah?
They go from here and then jump to there.
Yeah. It's really deep down there, Pat.
I mean over here.
Yeah.
I was so scared. I don't want to try it.
Yeah.
I bet I will do that to death.
Yeah.
So I just sit there.
Hmm.
Hello. I want to buy a balloon.
What are you? I thought you were gonna eat that. Aren't you gonna eat that?
At home.
Oh, you're gonna bring it home?
Uh-huh.
Oh, all right. So what are you gonna do with the balloon? You're gonna take the balloon home?
Yeah. Where is the balloon?
Yes.
Where is it?
Huh?
Where is it?
Okay, now I realize what I was doing. I had the polarizing lens on.
$50.
Not $15.
Then what?
Leave last reboot.
Look, it's an airplane.
Where? Oh, sama-sama.
Yay, balloon.
Yeah, a lot of young people and young families. Not lots of grandparents. Okay, where do you want to sit?
Let's sit here.
All right.
Are you going to sit?
What?
Are you going to sit?
Yeah.
And let's sit.
That's gonna blow away.
No, no. Where's it? What is it?
I'll hold it.
Okay. You can sit if you want.
Well, it turned out to be a nice day after all, right?
Yeah.
It was raining this morning. We couldn't go out for a walk to City Park, but now it's okay. And so, people hanging out on the beach. Yes? After this, what?
I want to buy a milkshake for me to drink.
Where?
It's over there.
We have to go back there again? Yes. All right. And there is a museum which is closed now, of course, and one of the only old buildings left here. Okay, so just laid back here, and you see this is pretty diverse, and we did see a couple of tourists over at the restaurants on the bay, restaurants on the harbor. We saw a couple of tourists in the restaurants on the harbor.
Every tourist likes to go here.
Some tourists like to go here, some don't. There's not a lot for tourists to do here.
Sometimes, when I go here with my friends, I find a tourist, but it isn't a tourist. They speak French.
Yeah, so why doesn't that make them a tourist?
Don't know. They speak French. No. No, they didn't. They speak Spanish.
He said they spoke French.
No. They speak Spanish.
How do you know they spoke Spanish?
Because one of them speaks French and one of them speaks Spanish.
Yeah. All right. It is windy this afternoon.
What is called a boy riding a cow?
I don't know what.
It's a cowboy.
You little weirdo. Oh, there's a lot of kids.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Once Aunt Mercedes has her baby and your mother has her other baby, then your brother, and then you. So we're gonna have lots of kids. Hey, this is what young guys do, I guess, on Sunday nights. They hang out at the harbor, ride their motorbikes
No,
around.
it's over there. Can you see those?
Yes.
Let's go buy a milkshake. I'm already thirsty.
Okay, I got some guys singing. Milkshake, Lima Rebu. What, here?
Bali. Bali. Milkshake. No, I don't know. Hey, Grandpa.
All right, look at all this stuff you got. You want to? Where do you want to have that? You want to have it here? Where?
Home.
Oh, you want to go home with it?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Cotton candy. Cotton candy.
Okay, so we're going home. This is, I don't know, we'll see if we can see this. This is the temple here, Hindu temple, and then behind it is the mosque. Careful!
Grandpa.
You're welcome.